I mean, they're duochrome. Would you look at this? All right, so we have the August 2022 Slay Glam box. This is $24 a month. I do have a code, just in all caps, save you some money off. I don't make anything out of it. It is just for you guys. So, if you want to hear my thoughts and opinions, what do I think of this? Then keep on watching. I filmed a bunch of videos today because I haven't filmed for a couple weeks. So, I have the air on. I had it on for a little bit. Let me turn it off because I know it could be loud. Like, at least in editing, I hear it. So, let me turn that off real quick. Alrighty, I need to put this behind my ear. I hate anything in my face. You know what I'm saying? Okay, anyway. SLAYGLAMBOX. Can I just tell you, ever since her relaunch, okay, there's a few of these indie brands that had a relaunch because COVID really affected them. This is one of my favorite boxes. It really, really is. So, let's open her up. The one thing I love about the packaging, I'll show you. I gotta cut the tape. Is it's like a little pocketbook. I know I'm old school. My grandmother was born in 27. She was 91 when she passed away. So, you know, they called it pocketbook. And because she helped raise me, you know, I have those, you know, old school terms, you know, instead of handbag. But look at that. I think the packaging is just so cute, you know. It really, really is. Okay. So let me take everything out. Okay, so I have everything out. This is another company that doesn't have a card, which I wish that they would have a card, you know? Okay, I just want to make sure everything was in there. And I did tell you, right? I do have a code to save you some money off. I don't make anything out of it. But guys, I'm telling you, if you want an all makeup subscription box, definitely use that code to save you some money. But I really love this subscription. Holy crap. And this is the first thing. So this is from Manika Dar. And it is a 5-piece eyeshadow brush set. Say that 3 times, brush set. This is gorgeous. Oh my goodness. Okay. Manika Dar is a little expensive, let's be real. I don't have a card, so I can't tell you how much this is, but this is just beautiful. And it's not like you're paying it, though, for the subscription box. You're only paying $24. All right, so that's what it looks like, but let me take them out. They're so cute. Okay. So that's what they look like. So this is more like an, I don't know if it's an eyeliner or eyebrow brush with the spoolie. But just look at the packaging, guys. It's so nice. And then you have like some blending brushes. This is a shader brush. I mean, do they feel luxury? No. But they're not bad. You know what I mean? Ooh, they're very pretty. They remind me like of a tiger, or I don't know what it is, but I like it. All right, so far so good. 5-piece eyeshadow brush. Okay, so this was on the outside of it, and this is, I don't know if it's an eyeliner or it's from Cara Beauty. I don't know if it's an eyeliner or a lip liner. That's why we need a card Slay Glam box. All right, so that's what it looks like. Ew, that's pretty. I mean, you could use it for either or, though. You know, let's just be real. That's really nice. Does it say what it is? Oh, a lip liner. Okay, so this is a lip liner. That's really pretty. Okay. All right, so this is from Midas Makeup, and I see why the lip liner is purple. So I do realize that, well, not realize, is that the right word? I do notice that SLAYGLAMBOX always matches their stuff. So a lot of the indie subscriptions typically do, you know, which is nice. Midas Makeup also has a subscription box as well. But look at that. I mean, that is just gorgeous. I wish you could see this in person. All right, so there's the regular doe foot applicator. This has to be a lip gloss. I'm going to build it up. That way you guys can see the color. Oh, that's pretty. This is really nice, actually. I am making the biggest mess because it's not real opaque. Let me just show you. That's what it looks like, but I build it up. But, you know, you can either use it as a lip liner or go all over your lips and then add that for some shine, you know. It's really pretty. It has all different colors in it. It is really, really nice. So, I like it. And then we have 2 palettes. Okay, so this one is from Oakland. This is a face palette. It says glowing palette, so it must be like a highlighting palette. Ooh. Okay, so you have a nice mirror. Take this little piece off here. Okay, so let me just show you what that looks like. So like blush, highlighter, and you know, if you have like medium skin toned. So let's do some swatches. Ooh. So this would be like a blush topper. I mean, you could use that as a highlighter too. You can use makeup for anything that you want. Okay, so here are the first 4. Wow, that's nice. They're not like boom in your face, but they are really, really nice. I'm so fair complected, you can't really tell. So let me go in with the deeper colors. That way you can see it, and we'll see how pigmented they are. These are the shades my daughter would use. But I would use these. That's beautiful. I would use these as eyeshadow. Like, it wouldn't go to waste. Okay, and there we go. Let me see if I could turn this down. The light fades a lot out as well, you know, but they are pretty. Are they like the best things I've seen since sliced bread? No, but they're not bad. And they would be beautiful on the eyes. So, all right, I'm happy to get this. And last but not least, we have an eyeshadow palette. And I will never knock some eyeshadow palettes. So this is from Gourmet Girls. I've heard of this company before. It used to be in the GLAMBOX. GLAMBOX is no longer a subscription box, but that's how I heard of this company. But packaging is just absolutely gorgeous. On the back has the ingredients. Now this is pretty. Okay, so you have a mirror, and on the mirror it says, I get by with a little help from my friends. And then it says the Beatles. Would you look at this palette? This palette is gorgeous, and the mirror looks nice too. Okay, I'm going to wipe everything off of my arm and swatch this. Oh, I mean, this, and I love that palette. In person, looks beautiful. All right, now I'm going to dry my arm so we have real, like, swatches. You know, there's no primer, nothing on my arm. This is gorgeous. Okay. I mean, they're duochrome. Would you look at these? These are duo. One swatch. Look at that. What in the world? All right, I gotta do a couple more swatches. Look at this. Would you look at this? That is gorgeous. Now, some of them are very soft, and I went in a little heavy-handed. I'm going to show you because you guys know I'm honest with you. Like, this one here is very, very soft. Let's do just a couple of the mattes, just so we can see what the mattes are. But these, they look more like metallic. They are gorgeous. Okay. Look at that. Those are just 4 of the mattes. Let's see. You got to be kidding me. That is, look at that. The mattes. I mean, the shimmers alone or the metallics are worth it for this palette. This is, guys, I'm not kidding. These are beautiful. And they swatch, like, that's only one time. I did not go in again. Wow. This is the Saints, Angels, and Sinners palette from the Gourmet Girls. I can't get over how nice I mean, in person, I wish you can see. They're beautiful. Beautiful. And I do know this is an indie brand. All right, so let's recap really quickly everything that you would get in the Slay Glam box. This gorgeous palette. I'm telling you, this is worth getting this box this month just for this. I'm telling you. All right, so we have that. We have the face palette, which is highlighters or blush or however you want to use it. You get 5-piece eyeshadow brush set. You get a lip liner. Where's the lip liner? I'm all excited. You have a lip liner, and then from Midas Makeup, you have the lip gloss. This is probably one of my favorite months, especially because of that eyeshadow palette. This is really, really good. If I had to rate this on a scale 1 to 5, I'm going to say a 5 all day long. Like, I get excited every time the Slay Glam box comes, you know? And I'm telling you, use my code. I make nothing out of it. But to save some money off, I definitely recommend this. Like, Slay Glam box, since they took a time off and relaunched, she definitely stepped up her game. I haven't had a box that I haven't liked yet. And so far, you guys have told me about you guys have been getting your boxes. Let me know down below, because that was the issue that we were having before the shipping. Let me know. And that's everything, guys. Please like this video. It really does help me out, or dislike it. That helps me out as well. Leave a comment. That helps out with engagement. And don't forget, I do have that second channel, Just Anne's World. I will leave my latest video down below talking about my relapse and different things. And yeah, that's everything. I think now I'm going to wash my makeup off and do a walk and talk for the second video, because I have a lot of good news to share for you guys. All right, I'm going to get off of here. Stay beautiful, stay blessed, stay healthy, and most importantly, always stay you no matter what. And I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys. I cannot get over how beautiful this eyeshadow palette is. Like, I'm not kidding. I can't stop looking at it. It's gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous.